This food truck is 5.9 meters by 2 meters wide and 2.7 meters high, and it meets the 3C standard certificate for the chassis and the China 6 emission standard. We can put your logo in the front or on the trailer's body. Also, we can change the color into your favorite. And the total weight is 3,475 kilogram. Let's see the working area. It is 4.2 meters and we can put the kitchen supplies inside as per your request, like the fridge, the cashier, and the ice cream machines, etc., or the fryer, as you wish. Okay, let's see the driver's room. This truck is a Futian brand. The dashboard here, and it is gasoline powered truck. Here we only have the manual shift like this. Also here is the handbrake. Okay, and this part is about the entertainment, and you can listen to the radio or the music in your flash disk. Okay, and the co-pilot seat here. Okay, then let's see the exterior. Okay, here with your logo, your advertisement, or your slogan here. Okay, and this is the back. Okay, and it has a big battery, about 24 kilowatts hours, and you can do business for the whole day. And the battery is behind here, is beneath here. Okay. The interior height is about 1.9 meters. Everything can be customized